Have you been coming here every year?
Well, I'm Jim. No, this is my first year.
Oh, nice.
And a few days ago was also my first time ever seeing the Grand Canyon. So that was kind of cool. Did a lot of neat things. So it was my first time. I've been doing astronomy for a long time. And I work up with Vanessa, who has that. She's at Kitt Peak, and she asked us to come up and do this. So we came up and do that. This is a ASCAR 500. It's a astrophotography telescope, and I will be probably shooting a nebula tonight to show everybody. It'll be kind of fun. It's like a refractor, but it's not designed to be looked through at all.
Everything in the night sky. Yeah.
It's all about just taking.
You can go check out the sun in this telescope
pictures.
right over here right now.
Oh, okay. Yeah. What is the most exciting thing that you've taken a picture of from?
Oh
this?
boy.
Are there many?
Yeah, I had the chance. By accident, I didn't realize that I was to have it available, was the globular cluster Omega Centauri.
Okay.
And it's really low on the horizon, and I was up on the mountains of Kitt Peak, and I saw it coming up. So the next night I was able to set this up and just catch it coming across, and it's a beautiful globular cluster. I never had seen it through a telescope, and then I got to see it through a telescope, and I got to image it, and it turned out beautiful.
Yeah, really you weren't expecting it.
No.
How high is Mount Kitt Peak?
Kitt Peak is about this high. It's about the same high. It's about just under 7,000 feet.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
It's down west of Tucson, and I'm just south of Tucson.
Yeah.
So
you guys live in really clear sky areas.
Yes. Yeah.
What would you tell a person who wants to start, watching the skies through telescope? What would you? How do you begin? What do you buy? What do you do?
I would, if you want to start really inexpensive, I'd get a nice pair of binoculars, and then from there, I think I would suggest either a Dobsonian telescope like this one, or the sea stars like those over there.
That one.
Those are all really great telescopes, beautiful images. One is doing astrophotography, one is visual, but they're really good. And they're very inexpensive, very easily to get.
So there are telescopes that do just photography?
Yeah, they're called
like
astrographs.
This one here?
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that one it's electronic, so it doesn't have an eyepiece at all.
So that would be hooked. That would be hooked onto a screen, and then you could.
You connect to it through your phone.
Oh, okay.
Phone or a tablet.
Yeah, phone or a tablet.
Oh, okay.
And it's embarrassing. This is made by the same company that makes those, and this is probably 15 times more than those in cost, but the imaging isn't 15 times better. They do a really good job. Yeah, they're really nice. I hope my wife never finds out how much I spent compared to how much I could have spent.
Are you in charge of those?
Yeah,
yeah. This one and those two are all mine.
Could you talk about those? Those look really interesting, but they're so small and they're so unassuming.
You want me to walk over there and
sure.
Next to
You're welcome.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Are we going to be like on National Geographic or anything?
Oh yeah, sure. I came here to do photography, and I was like, these are so many different kinds of machines, so I had to take this out and just get you guys talking about it. Yeah.